Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the phone has power and an internet connection. This avoids interruptions during account verification. Once done, unlock the phone with your current pattern and navigate to Settings. You need to know your Samsung account or Google account password because the system may request verification when you remove a lock. Tap Biometrics and Security or Lock Screen to access screen lock options. This is the first actionable step to remove the pattern securely. Now, enter your existing pattern so the system knows you are authorized to change it. Tap Screen Lock Type and pick None or Swipe to disable the pattern. Choose None to fully remove Secure Lock. If prompted, authenticate with your Samsung account or Google account. This prevents unauthorized removal. Make sure to remove any backup PIN or password only after verification. You do this because the platform ties lock changes to account security to prevent theft or unauthorized access. Finish by restarting the device and confirming the lock screen no longer requests the pattern. If the phone asks for account verification after reboot, sign in with the linked Samsung or Google credentials to finalize the change. This step ensures the device recognizes the removal. If you cannot authenticate and are locked out, use Find My Mobile to unlock remotely or, only as a last resort, perform a factory reset. Be aware that reset erases user data, so consider recovery options first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.